How to cancel free trial on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're on the Settings page, go to the top and tap on the section with your name on it. This will take you to your Apple account page. Here, you can manage your personal information, security settings, payments, and more. Now, tap on Subscriptions. On this page, you can view all your active subscriptions and any ongoing free trials. You can also see your expired subscriptions here. Find and select the subscription or free trial you wish to cancel. Then, tap on the Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial button. Following these steps, you can easily cancel a free trial on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.